Good morning students. This is my next revision video. In last revision video I already discussed about what is the chemical reaction, what is the balanced chemical equation, what is the unbalanced or called skeleton chemical equation. But in this lecture we discuss about how you balance the chemical equation. In last lecture I already told about the way to write the chemical equation. But in this lecture we discuss about the how we balance the chemical equation. Yes, first step by step we have to do, students. Yes, write down the chemical equation first. First of all, write the chemical equation. For example, Mg plus O2 MgO. Mg plus O2 MgO. Yes, first of all you write the chemical equation. Yes. For example, this reaction you have tried to balance. When magnesium react with oxygen, give us magnesium oxide. When magnesium react with oxygen, give us magnesium oxide. How you balance it? First step, first of all, write the balancing chemical equation. Second, write the number of atoms on every element. On the reactant side also, product side also. Yes. Third step, balance the compound which has a maximum number of atoms. Compound you select. Compound. But this is the left side, this is the right side. These are the compound. Compound only this. So select the compound which was this one only. Yes. First of all, balance this. Third step, balance the compound as a maximum number of atoms. So when you select the compound, maximum number of atoms, which one you balance? Yes, this one only. You balance first this. Then after selecting the compound of the big formula, balance the highest number of atoms on both sides. Then which one after balance, you select which one, balance the atoms, which one has the highest number of atoms. I will tell afterwards when we are taking example. Yes. Yes, after selecting the compound by big formula, balance the highest number of atoms and finally recheck whether the reaction is balanced or not, student. So these are the steps. Yes, let us take example of magnesium plus oxygen. Yes, we discuss one by one, step one by one. Yes, student. Yes, in first step, yes, step 1, write the chemical equation. Mg plus O2 MgO. Magnesium plus oxygen give us magnesium oxide. Yes, step 2, select the compound which has a maximum number of atoms. Which one is that is MgO only. This one. So first of all, balance this in third step. Yes. Multiply with the 2 because here oxygen 2, here oxygen 1. So keep in mind, you always multiply in front, not here, not here. If you put here, the formula change of the compound formula change. Always multiply in the front. Keep in mind, here 1 into 2 magnesium only, 1 into 2 oxygen only. Step, this was the step third. In step fourth step, then maximum number of atoms, here you have to balance both sides. Here the maximum number, fourth step is there magnesium 2, but here magnesium, then multiply here also 2. This was the fourth step. And now we see the balance or not. Mg2 Mg2, oxygen 2 oxygen 2, already balanced. So this is a way to write. In second step, here you write a number of here element magnesium oxygen, number of atom in left side reactant side, here product side, number of atom. So you already know here magnesium 1, oxygen 2. Here magnesium 1, 1. In third step, you select the magnesium compound with a maximum number of element. This one only. Then you balance it, multiply with the 2. Already told. Then you balance the both side magnesium. Here also put 2. Then you check both are everything is balanced or not. This is the way to balance the chemical equation. Yes, student. Now we try to balance the another chemical equation directly. In paper you have to do in the stepwise only, student. Yes. For example, simple reaction we take C plus O2 CO2. First of all, see how many elements are there. Carbon and oxygen. Check whether both side carbon and oxygen same or not. Yes, here carbon 1, here carbon 1, here oxygen 2, here oxygen 2 already balanced, self-balanced reaction. Which reaction already balanced? That is called self-balanced reaction equation. Self-balanced equation, student. Yes, third one. Any other example? H2 plus Cl2 HCl. Yes, here hydrogen 2, here hydrogen 1. So you first of all balance which is the highest atomic number. Then you balance the lesser one. First of all chlorine, here chlorine 2, here chlorine 1. Multiply with 2. But here hydrogen 2, here hydrogen 2. Balanced. Yes, fourth one, student. Fourth one. Haber process, N2 plus H2 gives us NH3. That also reversible reaction. Yes, N2 plus H2, NH3. First of all, see the nitrogen atomic number more. You always balance the hydrogen and oxygen at last. Nitrogen 2, nitrogen 1. You should multiply in front 2. But here, see the hydrogen 6. But here, hydrogen 3 only, then multiply with the 3. Yes. Any other example? Ag plus Cl2, silver plus chlorine, that gives us AgCl. Here silver 1, here chlorine 1, 2. Here silver 1, chlorine 1. First of all balance silver. Silver 1 already balanced. Chlorine 2, chlorine 1. So you should multiply in front 2. But here silver 2, that's why 2. Very easy method, student. Yes. Next example. Any other example? Na plus Cl2, that gives us NaCl. Here sodium and chlorine 2 elements are there. Here sodium 1, sodium 1. Chlorine 1, chlorine 2. That's why you should multiply with 2. But here sodium now 2 only, that multiply with the 2, student. Very easy method, student. Calcium carbonate. When you heat, gives us calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. How many elements are there? See. One is a calcium, one is a carbon, one is oxygen. Here calcium 1, here calcium 1. Here carbon 1, here carbon 1. Oxygen 2 and 1, 3. 3 already balanced, self-balanced reaction. Student, these are the examples of the reaction. Now we see another example, students. Try to balance the another examples. Yes, S plus O2, SO2. Sulfur 1, sulfur 1. Oxygen 2, oxygen already balanced, student. Already balanced. Yes, any another example? Already done. Vinegar, acetic acid when react with sodium bicarbonate. That gives us what? CH3CO Na plus H2CO3. H2O plus CO2. Try to balance this. Yes, see carbon. First of all carbon. First of all sodium you balance. Sodium 1, sodium 1. Then you balance how many elements? First of all see carbon, sodium, oxygen, hydrogen. First of all balance the sodium. Sodium 1, sodium 1. Then you try to balance carbon. Carbon here 1 or 1, 2, 1 or 1, 2. Now oxygen. Sorry, carbon here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Already balanced. Oxygen 2 and 5. 2 and 3, 5. So this reaction, hydrogen also 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. 3 or 2, 5. Already balanced reaction, self-balanced reaction. Student, these are the examples of how you balance the chemical equation In next lecture, we discuss about the types of the chemical reaction like combination and decomposition reaction, discussed one by one. Thank you.